Start creating your own words. On the dashboard page, on the left-hand side, there will be a topic. Choose to manage words by yourself. If you want to customize a word by placing building and objects, select the Build tool. When entered, you will be in the building mode. You will find an area the size that you have selected. At the top, there will be a title bar as follows. Words mode, which has following icons. Square mode, square icon, the words area where you are now. It is a manually created room. It can be categorized according to the use of the room. At the bottom of the screen, there is a bar with a shortcut keys for controlling camera movements. When selecting the topic building, on the right-hand side will be the topic My Asset. Choose a variety of building as you need. At the top, press the cloud icon and select Upload Asset File, including image, videos, and assets from outside according to the file format, condition specified by the system. When select Asset page, the category selection will appear. You can choose to view objects and assets for using in the creation of your words as well. And press Save. You can change the view, both icon and list view. On the lower right-hand corner, Asset tool controlling keys. When pressed, there will be a shortcut key for both Windows and Macs. There are tools to choose for adjusting the perspective of the objects.